my dear students. Today, now we are going to see about the lesson Volume 2, Geography Lesson 1, Physical Geography of Tamil Nadu. Today's topic, Marking Questions and Answers. Roman letter 1, choose the correct answer. First question, the latitudinal extent of Tamil Nadu is dash. Answer, option A, 8 degree 5 north to 13 degree 35 minutes north. But in your book inside have 8 degree 4 minute north to 13 degree 35 minutes north. So in your option A, near option A, 8 degree 4 minute north to 13 degree 35 minute north. Right. This is only correct answer. 8 degree 4 minute north to 13 degree 35 minute north. Okay. Second question. The longitudinal extent of Tamil Nadu is dash. Answer, option A, 76 degree 18 minutes east to 80 degree 20 minutes east. Third question. The highest peak in Tamil Nadu is dash. Answer, option B, Dotabetta. Fourth question. Which of the following passes is not located in the Western Ghats of Tamil Nadu? Answer, option C, Borghat. Fifth question. Which one of the following rivers is flow into the Arabian Sea? Answer, option A, Periyar. Sixth question. The district with largest mangrove forest cover in Tamil Nadu is dash. Answer, option C, Kadalur. Seventh question. The forest cover of Tamil Nadu as per 2017 Indian Forest Report is dash. Answer, option A, 20.21%. Eighth question. Retreating monsoon winds picks up moisture from dash. Answer, option B, Bay of Bengal. Ninth question. Which of the following district is affected by sand dunes to a large extent? Answer, option A, Theni. 10th question. The district which has the largest forest cover in Tamil Nadu is dash. Answer, option A, Dharmapuri. Second Roman letter. Fill in the blanks. First question. The plateau which lies between the Nilgiris and the Dharmapuri district is dash. Answer, Coimbatore. Second question. Dash is the highest peak in the southernmost part of the Eastern Ghats. Answer, Solaikaradu. Third question. The riverine island of Srirangam is located between dash and dash branches of Kaveri. Answer, Kollidam and Kaveri. Fourth question. Dash soil is suitable for the cultivation of tea and coffee plants. Answer, laterite. Fifth question. Dash is the Tamil Nadu state animal which is found in dash. Answer, Nilgiri Thar is the Tamil Nadu state animal which is found in, answer, Nilgiri. Okay. Nilgiri Thar. First dash, Nilgiri Thar. Second dash, Nilgiri. Third Roman letter, match the following. First question, winter season. Answer January to February. Second question, summer season. Answer March to May. Third question, southwest monsoon. Answer June to September. Fourth question, northeast monsoon. Answer October to December. Fifth question, mango shower. Answer pre-monsoon. Roman letter 4, assertion type question. Assertion A. Tamil Nadu does not receive much rainfall from southwest monsoon. Reason, it is situated in the rain shadow area of the Western Ghats. Options. Option A, both A and R are true and R explains A. Option B, both A and R are true but R does not explain A. Option C, A is true but R is false. Option D, R is true but A is false. Which one is the correct answer? Option A. Option A is the correct answer. Option A, both A and R are true and R explains A. Is correct answer. Second question, assertion red soil is rich in iron oxides. Reason, it is formed by leaching. Option A, both A and R are true and R explains A. Option B, both A and R are true but does not explain A. Option C, A is true but R is false. Option D, R is true but A is false. Which one is the correct answer? Option C, A is true but R is false is the correct answer. Next, Roman letter 5. Answer the following in brief. First question, state the boundaries of Tamil Nadu. Page number 86. 86, left side, last heading, boundaries and neighbors. From first line, Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu is bounded by Bay of Bengal in the east, Kerala in the west, Andhra Pradesh in the north, Karnataka in the northwest, and Indian Ocean in the south. This is first question. Next, second question, list out the districts of Tamil Nadu which are partly or fully located on eastern and western Ghats separately. Page number 90. Left side, tabular column, the Coimbatore district, Dindigul district, Kanyakumari district, Tirunelveli district and Nilgiris district. These are all Western Ghats. Remaining districts, Eastern Ghats. Okay. This question number 2. Question number 3. Page number, question number 3. What is Teri? Page number 92. Page number 92, left side, plains heading, second paragraph. Eighth line, the sand dunes formed along the coast of Ramanathapuram and Thoothukudi district are called Teri. This third question. Fourth question, how is coastal plain formed? Page number 92, left side, plains heading, second paragraph, the coastal plains First line, coastal plains. To 8th line, submerged into the sea. This is question number 4. Next, 5th question. Name the major islands of Tamil Nadu. Page number 92. Right side. Do you know box fully? This is 5th question. Next, 6th question. Name the tributaries of river Tamirabarani. Page number 93. Right side. Tamirabarani heading. Last 3 line. Karayar, Servalar, Manimuttar, Gadananadi, Pachayar, Chittar and Ramanadi are its main tributaries. Question number 7. 7th question. Define disaster risk reduction. Page number 99. Page number 99. Right side. Right side first line. According to United States. From according to United States to 6th line. Casual factors of disaster. This is question number 7. 8th question. During cyclone, how does the meteorological department warn the fisherman? During cyclone, how does the meteorological department warn the fisherman? Answer, page number 101. 101. Right side, first paragraph, during, paragraph fully. From taker to out during cyclone. This is question number 8. Next, Roman letter 6. Distinguish between the following. First question, Western Ghats and Eastern Ghats. C. Second question, Southwest monsoon and Northeast monsoon. Third question, tropical evergreen and tropical deciduous forest. Roman letter 7. Give reasons for the following. First question, Eastern Ghats are not a continuous range. Answer, C. Second question, Tamil Nadu receives low rainfall during southwest monsoon. Third question, alluvial soil is fertile. Fourth question, Kadalur is a multi-prone disaster zone. Students, if you have no guide, DB questions and duration questions, take screenshot and use for study. Okay. Next, Roman letter 8th. Answer the following in a paragraph. First question, describe the nature of the plateau region of Tamil Nadu. Page number 90 and 92. Students, take page number 90. 90, page number 90, right side, 6.4 sequence la plateaus heading, first paragraph, second paragraph and third paragraph, and page number, this continuous Son, page number 92, left side, first and second paragraph. Up to basins are located in this zone. This paragraph 1. Okay. Next, second question. Write an account on river Kaveri. Page number 92. Right side, Kaveri heading. Kaveri heading fully. Page number 92 up to Kolaran or Kollidam. And page number 93, first paragraph, left side, first paragraph fully. Up to Bay of Bengal to the south of Kadalur. Okay, this paragraph 2. Next, third paragraph. Explain the characteristic features of summer and winter season of Tamil Nadu. Page number 94. Students, take page number 94. 94, right side, winter season paragraph fully, and next summer season paragraph fully. This paragraph 3. Next, fourth question. What is desertification, and write about the areas affected by it in Tamil Nadu. Page number 96. Page number 96, right side, do you know box fully. Paragraph 4. Next, fifth question. Bring out the types and distribution of soils in Tamil Nadu. Page number 95 and 96. Students, take page number 95. 95, right side, soils of Tamil Nadu heading, last 4 lines. The soils in Tamil Nadu are broadly classified into 5 types. According to their characteristics, they are all alluvial soil, black soil, red soil, laterite and saline soil. Alluvial soil paragraph fully. Next, black soil. Next, red soil fully, laterite soil fully, and saline soil also fully. Okay, this one, paragraph 5. Next, sixth paragraph. Name the areas which are affected by landslides. What will you do before, during and after landslides? Page number 99 and 100. Students, take page number 99. Right side, landslide heading, landslide paragraph fully. Next, page number 100, risk reduction measures before paragraph fully and during paragraph fully, and if outdoors paragraph fully and after paragraph fully, up to entering the district slide area. This paragraph 6. Next, Roman letter 9, map study. First one, mark important rivers, distribution of soil and forest types on different Tamil Nadu maps. First one, students, see river maps. Next, distribution of soil. Distribution of soil. Students, first one, laterite soil. Laterite soil, Nilgiri district. Next, saline soil, வேதாரண்யம். ரெட் சாயில் சிவகங்கை அண்ட் ராமநாதபுரம் டிஸ்ட்ரிக்ட். அலுவியல் சாயில் கன்னியாகுமரி. பிளாக் சாயில் கோயம்புத்தூர். Next, forest map. Forest types. Students, see. Montane temperate forest. Montane temperate forest, Nilgiri district. Next, evergreen forest, Coimbatore district. Thorn forest, Ramanathapuram district. Mangrove forest, Kadalur district. And tropical deciduous forest. Students, see this map. Tropical deciduous forest, Namakkal and Karur district. Okay, this lesson is over. Students, next homework. Students, all are take your diary and note today's homework. All DB questions and duration questions test tomorrow. We will meet next.